Hello viewers! Welcome to Aniza's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Instagram. In this video, I will show you how you can fix error if your Android Studio is not showing projects after installation. After installing the Android Studio, you must have to install the setup of Java JDK. If you want to get the guidance of Java JDK installation, click the link of video in the description. After installing JDK, you have to open Android Studio and click the option of File on the right top corner, then click New and then New Project. If you find the error message of SDK problem, click on Open SDK Manager. This interface is shown to you. Click on Edit and then OK. Wait until the components has been installed, then click on Finish. After finishing, a dialog box appears, click on Cancel. Then Next again, click on Next. Now your error has been resolved. Select New Project and start your activity. I hope you find my video tutorial easy to understand and quick solution of your problem. For more informative videos, like and subscribe to Aniza's Tech Tutorials.